Hi, Nam. You want to open the blockade for them to play?
I'll block it. Okay, sure, fine. I'll do it. Okay. Why can't I open the chat? Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Give me a second.
calculating. Wait me a minute. Yeah, wait me, please, wait me. I have. No, wait me a minute. Don't start it because I'm too late. That's right. Hello? Yeah. Okay. I'm not robot. Okay. I have to be done. Okay, Alice. Oh. Okay. Kỳ Nam Nguyễn, can you for me link again? Because I have been done late. Okay.
Excuse me.
Where's the link? I need the link. Oh, I see. No, it's done there. Okay. There. I have begun. Oh, it's too late. My God.
Let's just start.
Yeah, start. Okay. Oh, motion. Right. Okay. Oh, this one. Let's go. Right. Oh, 8. Right. Okay. This is a star. Yes. With energy, the drone. Okay, so yes. Midway. I thought midway is current, was it? Yes. Oh boy. More. I got draw bills. Light. Over no. Orangeless. Okay, I know. Okay. So, true is correct, yeah. 8. No. No.
One more game and then I'll start. I don't care how many people we have. I don't care.
Okay.
One more game
Okay.
and we'll start. I don't care if we don't have enough people.
Okay. Done. What? Hi.
Same.
All right. Okay, I smart this. Okay, now. Shut up. Now I choose a notebook. I choose spaceship. Now it's time to bake.
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay, start it. What?
Oh.
Oops, I choose.
No, but the children. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. It's micro lemon. Nasa lemon. Oh no, so tapi cepet ko yun. Utama ang berpamdi pastikan termasuk kita. No. It's time to bake up the game. I will win the runners. Yes. Apa ke? I don't mean it.
Okay, we're starting. I'm not going insanely overtime this time because it is me and Ethan's final exam week tomorrow, and I am dying. Oops, no, 1 second. And you can also, oh no, wrong thing. Right, that's the one. Actually, hold on a second, give me 1 second. Give me a second. What if I just do that? That looks better.
Yeah, I know how to less spacing, but my brain is cool. It's not this.
Great, people see my screen?
Yeah, I see it.
Good. Okay. Today we are doing topic is space. And my apologies, I'm a bit sick. So space. First, one of the most important thing, planets. So planets, the Google definition is a celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit around a star, around the sun. The sun is the, well, the main sun. So here you have the planets, except for Pluto. And yeah, I'm not too sure about Sirius either, but definitely. Yeah, no, Pluto is no longer considered a planet. It's a dwarf planet. So suck the sock for Pluto, I guess. And then you have stars, which are huge celestial bodies, which produce immense light and heat, like the sun. There are 3 categories of star. I think blue, red, and yellow. I think blue is the hardest and red is the least hard. It's so incredibly hard, but it's the least hard. And then yellow is in the middle. Any questions? No. Moving on then. Next, we have asteroids, which are a relatively small chunk of rocky minerals that orbits the sun, often described as minor planet. For example, asteroid could, there could be a bunch, the asteroid could form basically belts around planets, for example. Those are called asteroid belts. Next we have meteor, which is small, depends on the size. It could be extremely big or really small. But anyway, small, rocky or metallic body in outer space. And some of them could potentially crash onto planets like Earth, like this one right here. And then we have comets, which is a small, bright, heavenly body that develops a cloudy tail as it moves in an orbit around the sun. So the picture on the right here is a comet. Any question? Of course you have a question. I swear to God, Long, if your question is either one, is the Earth flat, or two, anything related to Uranus, I will kill you. So what is your question? Oops, sorry, my bad.
It's not about Uranus. What is a shooting star? Is it a comet, an asteroid, or a meteor?
Ethan, yeah, answer that.
So
This is very-
essentially, a shooting star, I would describe it as a comet. Basically, it's called a shooting star, but it's really a comet. It creates that streak of light and cloudy dust in space, and it's very bright when it's pretty hot when it's moving past, so it looks like a star.
All right. So do you believe that if you wish when a shooting car,
No,
a
your wish doesn't come
shooting
true.
star comes?
No.
All right.
That's it.
By the way, is the Earth flat?
I see. What did I just said? I said if you ask either if the Earth is flat or anything about Uranus, I would kill you. Jesus Christ.
And where is
It's
Uranus
a
blue?
sphere.
And also,
It's
why is Uranus
round.
blue?
It's round. It's not flat like your brain.
Just look at the curvature of the Earth. If you can see far enough, then you can actually see the clouds slightly curving around the Earth.
Anything else to say along?
Yes. Why is Uranus blue?
Who knows?
I'm guessing
I
it's
mean,
gas
it's
star.
gas. It's made of gas.
But anyways, Uranus.
I don't know. Uranus is-
What was that? That's it? I assume that's it from the you. Anyone else have a question? No, I'll move on then. Okay, zodiac. So The Google definition again. Zodiac is a belt-shaped region of the sky that extends approximately 8 degree north or south elliptic. It's basically a belt-shaped region of stars of constellation, and as the sun. Never mind. It's these are the we have the 12 zodiacs. These are the 12 zodiacs. And I believe you can see them based on depending on which month of the year it is. I'm not too sure about that. Anyway, I see James raise your hand. Yes, James?
Yes, I know it because space can be made, but I learn science. I learn science because I learn science Vietnamese teacher, but I know it because I have been smartest. So I know space, but I have Earth, but I in the Earth. So I know start in the sunny is so having. So I know it. So thank you. I mute the mic.
Okay. Thank you, James. I'm a bit out of it today. Anyway, moving on. Constellation, which are basically an area on the celestial sphere in which a group of visible stars forms a perceived pattern or outline. For example, this I believe is Leo, the constellation Leo, the lion. Yay, any question? Moving on then. I don't know. Galaxy is any one of the very large groups of stars that make up the universe. So for example, this is a galaxy. This is usually what a galaxy is depicted as. A solar system is the sun, the planet, asteroids, comets, meteors, basically everything. And it's everything that revolves around the sun. That's called a solar system. Our solar system is called a Milky Way. And a black hole is an object with such strong gravity that light cannot escape it. And it is thought to be caused by the collapse of massive stars. It just have a really strong gravitational force. Any question? Margaret. Yep.
So, have you seen a galaxy before yet? Have you been in space before?
Excuse me? What?
Have you been in space before?
What do you think the answer to that is?
No.
Yeah.
So,
Not a single one of us here have been to space. I can guarantee that.
so do you like the galaxy?
It looks pretty. So yeah, it's so shiny. Look at it.
So, what if our Earth has a black hole? Then what will you do?
What if a black hole open on Earth?
Yeah.
We die. Simple as that.
Okay.
It's the truth. We will all die.
Basically our entire galaxy, which is the Milky Way, would just, including the sun, would just go and just be gone in like a second, basically, essentially.
Yeah, there are black holes out there that are bigger than the sun.
Our sun is relatively small.
Yep. Anything else? Okay. You again. Speak.
Yes, finally again. do you think that a black hole is just a very some sort of like object being at very high speed that could have infinite mass? Because I've read that before.
Okay, so to answer your question, infinite mass, I think, is pretty accurate, but basically, essentially my my opinion, I could get into the like into astrophysics and just talk about everything, but I'm just gonna
No,
give it a
do
short
not get into
conclusion.
astrophysics.
Exactly. I'm gonna give a short conclusion. Basically, it's a hole that we don't know what leads to, but basically most suspect it could technically be in some way a wormhole or just complete and utter dissipation.
Nothingness.
So,
All right. So if
What
that
about you,
is
Jim?
so, do you think that our universe is just sucked into a black hole and life could just keep moving on in there?
I mean,
Maybe
in a way,
not.
we don't know though. So
Yeah.
Do you think so though? Yes or no?
No, I hope not.
I
All
don't
right.
think
Lights
life
end.
would keep moving on. I think it would disappear or be completely warped by reality and itself. It really depends.
Or maybe that is the truth, and our missing dads just went out of the black hole somehow. I don't know.
Who knows? Adios, James.
Yes, I know it. But we learned science in Nicosino, but I know two stuff can be make the earth. Yeah.
Mhm.
If two stones stuck together can make the earth, but I know the Milky Way. Milky Way is cool, but have been in earth, but science can be now in. But I have been learn science. Yeah. It's so easy to learn. Yeah. Did you know that?
Sure. Sure.
But the earth is flat.
No,
So
it
I
is not
No.
flat.
You can actually, yes.
And the earth is round. It's flat on the map, I guess.
Yeah, I think that.
If anyone say Earth is flat again, I swear to God, I will blow up.
I will give so many reasons why it is not.
Anything else to say, James?
Yes, but I have been open Facebook, but in Facebook have the sales, but it's interesting, yeah. I think that. So you can find it, yeah.
Mhm.
I send the link for you, yeah.
Sure,
Make
sure,
it- Okay.
sure. Thank you,
So-
James.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it for the slides. I'll stop sharing my screen. Now you guys can ask all the question in the world you want, starting with. Wait, man. Oh. Yoon, do you have a question?
So I
Oh,
see
do
that. So wait me a minute.
Okay.
So do you see a black hole and a white hole?
Say that again.
Do you know about the black hole and the white hole?
Black hole and the white hole. Isn't
I
white
don't-
holes is theoretical?
I actually have a theory about that. It's way too long to share, but we only really know of black holes, although
Yeah.
white holes may.
Oh, I think we put
You put something in the black hole and the white hole.
Yeah, that's essentially what happens. It'd be basically pure light, because a black hole, basically what it does is it even like sucks up light rays. That's why a black hole is actually, there is no light coming from it, so it seems black to the human eye, like there's nothing in there. So there could be technically the opposite on another side of a wormhole or some kind of yeah, no, I'm just not gonna get into this, but the only
Yeah.
next question.
Next
How
question.
long did the sun? How long is the sun?
Begging your pardon. Say that again, Butler.
How long is the sun?
What's its
How
radius?
long is the sun?
Yeah.
So what's its radius?
What is the radius of the sun?
It's like
Of the
100.
sun. It is 696,340 kilometers.
And how tall is the sun?
Say that again.
How tall is the sun?
It's spherical, so its radius like that and that would be the same.
it is a very hot object.
And how? What's very close to the sun?
What is what?
Space close to the sun.
What is close to the sun?
Mercury.
Mercury. The planet Mercury is the
And
closest.
how hot is the Mercury?
How hot is Mercury? Not as hot as Venus. Venus is hotter. Mercury.
You think people can live on Mercury?
No.
I think it's too hot.
Why is it in Fahrenheit? Damn Americans. 430 degrees Celsius.
Can we cook a cow?
Yeah,
I think
Yeah.
1 minute or maybe 2 minutes.
we can cook a human. Anything else, Butler?
I think that's it.
Okay. Mary,
Yes,
your question?
yes. What is your favorite planet?
What is my favorite planet? What do you think, Ethan? I swear to God, if you say Uranus too, I will kick you.
I think your favorite planet is either Mars or Mercury. Oh, they don't-
My favorite planet is Neptune because it just looks so blue.
Hmm.
It's
My
pretty.
My favorite planet is Neptune too.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
You have anything else?
Yes. Do you know of what do you know the sun and earth? The sun and earth farther?
How far is how far is the Earth from the sun?
Yes.
How far is the Earth from the sun? Ooh. 147.31 million kilometers. It's just really long.
I think that is far.
Indeed it is. You have anything else to ask, Mary?
Yes, and and Mars, what Mars temperature?
What is Mars temperature?
Yes,
Average about, oh my God, why is it in Fahrenheit again?
I have
Uh,
a guess.
average around -65 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
mm, yes,
Anything else?
yes. Why is Mars red?
Why is Mars red?
I think
Who-
Earth cannot be in universe.
Say that, okay. Well, to why is Mars red? Right, okay. Is,
Cosmic dust.
yeah,
Also, I guess a
No.
high level.
they
of
are. Apparently a lot of rocks on Mars are full of iron, and then they oxidize when they are exposed to the air and turn red. Is Mars is red? Is Mars is rusty? That's kind of
Right.
sad.
Essentially, that's what it is. It's just rust because that's what I assumed is there's a lot of iron, but as most planets have an atmosphere, so planets have an atmosphere. So that's why we can breathe on Earth is because there's an atmosphere made of oxygen and carbon, also
Oxygen.
nitrogen and other stuff, which is essential for us to survive. So
James, don't say that. Be nice. Anything else, Mary?
No.
Okay. Sam.
This is just a wondering, but do you think the universe could be a black hole? 'Cause, apparently, it's expanding like a black hole.
There are multiple universes.
Yes, I do think a universe is like a
Wait,
black
1
hole.
second. Actually, universe.
if our universe was like a black hole, we would technically be moving through basically some type of giant, either wormhole or space anomaly.
True, but like we
When
don't know
you
what's in a
say-
black hole.
So
when
we
you
would
say
all be
u-
dead.
When you say universe, I assume galaxy. Because when we talk about galaxy, there are multiple galaxy.
I think you meant the universe because it's true. The edges of the universe are spreading. Basically, after the Big Bang, they have been spreading since then and have continued to spread, and there is no boundary. So, it's an interesting theory, though. We should keep it a bit simpler, though.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No problem. Margaret.
So if you have a chance to visit any planets, what planet would it be?
Do what go on or what? Oh,
So if you have a chance to go in space and you
that's
don't
right.
know which planet you want to go to, so which planet do you want to go?
I would be dead if I enter a lot of them.
But you will be in space, like we're things like astronauts.
No, like if you enter Venus, if we as humans enter Venus, we will die. We will burn up.
But every astronauts wear a suit so they can't
Nope.
die.
Nope, we will die on Venus. The heat, it will melt us.
Yeah. So also the reason astronauts wear suits is because of the basically
So-
lack of number one, oxygen, number two, how cold it is up there. So it's just to
True.
protect against the cold. And then third reason why is because some not nice stuff will happen to you if you get that high up and then out of the
Pressure.
So what danger do you think comes with space exploration?
A lot. If you take off the suit, you suffocate, you freeze, you expand.
I was not going to say that. I was gonna say you don't just freeze to death or suffocate, you actually basically implode and your skin gets flipped inside out, essentially. And so that's why I wasn't gonna go into that, but Nam already said it.
Okay,
The danger is everywhere.
thanks.
You.
So what is the planet is next to the sun?
The what that is next to the sun?
Yes.
The planet? What is next to the sun? What do you mean?
What is the planet next to the sun?
The planet closest to the sun is Mercury. And then Venus, and then Earth, and then Mars, and then a couple of things.
Teacher, have you gone to the Earth? Go out of the space?
Who just asked that? I who, what, where?
None of us in this group have never been to space.
None of us ever will, I don't think.
Mhm.
How many stars there in the world? I don't know. How many
It's not-
grain of sand are there on Earth?
It's how many atoms are there on Earth?
Yeah.
Basically, it's not quantable. Nothing in the universe is quantable. That especially is not quantable. There could be one more star there could be thousands of millions of stars and one more in each second being made. So it really depends.
I would like to see a star collapse. In my face.
Yeah, no, you wouldn't be able to see it unless it was really close. And so then you would also die.
That's such a banger way to die.
With glory and honor.
Jung, do you have anything else to say? No, million is way too little. Jung, do you have anything else to say? Okay, might as well get this guy out of the way.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
You made me forgot what I was going to ask 5 months ago because it took so long. But
yeah,
anyways,
exactly. I intentionally made you wait longer than everyone else.
God damn.
And you wonder why.
All right, so
So how hot is the
do you
sun?
think Uranus is real?
1 second, Jung, I'll get back to you. What do you?
So how hot is the sun?
No, 1 second, Jung. I will get back to you. Okay, let me just answer this guy's question first. Say
Not this-
it.
All right, so why is your favorite planet Neptune but not Uranus? Uranus is close to Neptune, and it's also kind of blue. It's cyan.
Yeah, but Neptune is darker blue. I like the darker shade of blue. You have a problem with that?
No, I don't. But like, do you think Pluto is even real?
Pluto is what? Huh?
You think Pluto is real? Like Florida?
Like Florida?
Yeah.
You think
Florida ain't
Ohio is
real.
real? You think
Including-
Australia is real? Do you think
Ohio.
you're real? You're not real. You're just a.
No, I'm not
freaking-
real.
You're just an annoying part of my imagination.
Yes. Then why am I in your imagination?
Who knows?
Looks like you made a mistake. All right. Anyways,
I am a mistake. You got anything else to say, Mr. Nguyen Long?
nope, absolutely not. That's all.
Nice.
I freaking doubt it. He's gonna go back 5 seconds later. Anyway, Yoon, to answer your question, the sun is that in
Oh,
Kelvin?
how hot is the sun?
Yeah, the sun is 5,778 Kelvin. It showed it to me in Kelvin this time. Can you believe it, Ethan?
I can believe it. That's what I would have measured it in.
It's so
Was that a
it
lot
won't
of
give me
flags?
it won't give me the temperature in Celsius.
So is the sun or the star?
Is the sun a star?
Yes.
What the?
It is
Yeah.
in fact a star. It is a very small star, but it is actually a star. Um,
How many countries on Earth?
how many countries are on Earth? I think
Why are we suddenly talking about Earth?
I have no idea, but to answer your question, there is 165 countries or 64 countries on Earth.
And how many people on Earth?
My search says there are 195 countries in the world.
190. That's a lot more.
Yeah. 96. What's the 196th one? Oh, interesting. And how many people are on Earth? World population 22. Around 8 billions.
It hit 8 billion like a couple of months ago, I think.
Yeah, that is concerning. Too many people
Mm,
for my liking. Sure.
Did
shortages.
Saturn have moons?
Say that again?
Did Saturn have moon?
Yes, Saturn has moons. Saturn has 46 different moons. Which some of them actually, that's why Saturn has asteroid belts. There's actually a lot of, like, those are all pretty much moons, I would say, or a lot of,
Wait, Ethan, did you just say how many moons? How many moons did you say?
how many are there?
How many moons did you just say there are?
I
Yeah,
think I said like 46.
I just did a Google Saturn, right?
I think.
Saturn?
Yeah, Saturn.
Yeah, I just did a quick Google search. It said 83.
80, God, they've discovered even more. That's so great. Wow. Okay, I learned this in 7th grade, so. But one of them, in fact, which makes the question of is anything else out there possibly alive? Because it actually has water, but more specifically geysers. So, which is interesting.
Delicious, delicious water. Great. Jesus, okay. Moving on quickly, I guess. Then
Why do planets have a sphere shape instead of another shape?
I actually have an answer to that. Most planets are spherical shaped because of gravity, center mass gravity. Even though they may not be exactly like a precise sphere, they are essentially a sphere because gravity is attracted to a single item, and also because that's like everything else in the universe is literally a sphere. So
Thank you.
you're welcome.
I will prioritize the people who are able to get through questions quickly first.
Mm.
before the people who are slower. Trần Đại Phong.
Yeah. What if you fall into a black hole?
No one knows.
No one knows. I presume you'd probably be you would
Dead.
die just based on the pure force of like
Especially
gravity
since
on your body.
Especially since first you're in space without a suit in the
My
first place.
teacher says it
Dead.
is very black and no one can see it. What
Yeah.
and why they can know in the space have black hole?
What?
Why
No one can
people
see a
know?
black hole because light cannot escape it. Therefore, it does not reflect to our eyes. Therefore, we cannot see it.
Oh,
Usually, if we don't have the sun, it is dark and cold.
Who is that? Who is this mysterious person who unmuted themselves and talked to me? I'm so curious.
We can do like a quick round of like
Anything else, Trần Đại Phong?
what?
Anything else?
No.
Okay, great. Next, Margaret.
Okay, so my question is, what do you think about space exploration?
I mean, sure, it could be beneficial for us until we decide to start colonizing planets like freaking Elon Musk. And that's not too good. Ethan, you just direct message that message to me.
oh crap.
Person asking in the chat, no, Earth does not have freaking black holes. Jesus Christ.
And neither does the sorry.
No, go ahead. And okay,
And
never mind.
neither does the Milky Way. If it did, scientists would immediately know, and also we would also not immediately know because we'd all also immediately be all dead.
Yeah, Margaret, space exploration. I mean, Ethan, space exploration. Your opinion now.
Okay, space exploration. It's highly dangerous, but it's essential to mankind's progression, in my opinion.
There you go.
Would you like to explore space?
No, I'd rather stay home. I'm too lazy.
Yeah, me too.
And I'd rather not die that way. I'll
Um,
die on Earth.
But it is essential.
Would you like to explore space?
maybe.
Oh, vicious. Maybe.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you. Oh, Jesus Christ, he's back again.
At least I
Also-
wasn't back in like 5 seconds.
Are you a
Also,
Christian?
what was the timing? I was eating. All right. So, do you think that there was potentially signs, I mean, living life on Mars in the past? Scientists have discovered that under its surface is glaciers, water glaciers.
Water.
Yes. So, do you think that there's potentially life form in the past of Mars?
Well, it's all dead now if there was.
So, can in the future,
Dropping. Goofs.
Do you think that it's true, or do you think it's fiction?
What is true? What is fiction? I beg your pardon. Say that again.
All right. So, do you think there was living life? There was living life on Mars in the past. Do you think so?
Maybe not. I don't think so.
Note that there was signs of water under the surface. Yes.
That doesn't mean that there is life.
Or
That
was
is
it?
a sign of life. Water is
It
required to life. God dang.
It is, but it's also it really depends. can create life, it can. So it's possible life could be on there, but I would think it's very unlikely as there's not enough heat. So it's not in the I don't think it's in the Goldilocks zone. It could actually be in the Goldilocks zone if there were actually planets on that, and that would redefine that theory.
In the past, we don't know that. Get to that.
Okay, next
get back
question.
to that later. All right.
We have 4 minutes.
We do have 4 minutes.
Okay, Mary
Yeah, Mary, if you have some question.
or Nam, do you want to call on somebody?
Mary, you have anything? I know you tend to be a bit slower.
Yes.
Yes. If you have question, please ask them quickly.
What? Do mấy cái này hơn nữa gì ta? Do you know the on our solar system have many so many stars? Do you know on our solar system have
Smaller stars? No, I do not believe that. Okay, thank you for your question.
Okay, the 3 other people, your question, just type it in chat, all of you. That is so much easier to answer and it's so much quicker. Jesus Christ, why didn't I think of this before? I'm a genius. Type your question in chat and I will read it and answer it.
That's actually, I thought the exact same thing. Like if we want to wrap up fast, everybody type their thing in the thing and I'll answer it in the last 3 minutes.
Go, shoot, write in the chat. Please be able to write. I will be concerned if you're able to speak but not write. What is the next topic is your question. That freaking guy. Wait a second about the topic. Next topic, okay? Jesus Christ. And no, next topic is not Jesus Christ. Trần Đại Phong, Bin, Butler.
Yeah.
Type a question in chat, please.
What is inside a black hole?
What if you what a black
What
hole?
is inside a black hole?
What is inside? No one knows.
No one knows.
No one knows.
Wow, but I think it's the star and rocks fly into it.
I doubt there is anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a lot that it depends on. If you want, you can do more research about astrophysics and stuff.
Okay, fine.
Same for you, Bin, but if you want to ask your question, type it in.
yes?
chat.
And how many people go on space?
How many people went in space?
I don't know, around about 100.
To space.
They aren't sending as many people.
553. Actually, 556. 562. Oh my God, these answer. Oh my God, and it's Wikipedia. Why am I doing that? Around 600 people. Okay, Ben, you have one. Why the reluctance to type it in chat? Anyway, just
You ever heard of an asteroid that any kind of asteroid that is flying towards the Earth's solar system at a very fast speed, but it doesn't crash onto Earth. Instead, it just fly past. Do you know any of the asteroids?
no.
Not yet.
I know one asteroid. Its name is Oumuamua. It's like an asteroid, but it's like flying Earth at a very, very fast speed that scientists can't explain. And instead of on Earth, it just like fly past, and nobody knew the reason. But
Okay.
It's
there's
possible.
some people but might be some kind of an alien technology, but I'm not sure.
Alien technology. I do not.
Yeah,
believe
I'm not
alien
sure because
technology.
it's flying very, very fast.
Yeah, of course it can. It's flying very, very fast isn't exactly peculiar per se.
Faster than other comets or asteroid, and its shape is like, yeah, the scientists say that the shape is not really like the other comets or asteroids.
It's space. Anything could look different.
Yes.
Great. That seems to be the 3 last questions.
Okay, next topic.
We decide the next topic. I see someone said filmmaking. Guys, next topic, type it in chat. Do it now, right now. Places is so vague. Probability of what? You winning the lottery? Your father coming back? World is also vague.
I could go on for.
I am not. God damn it. Are you that same person last time who asked for us to do memes? No, I'm not doing memes. No, you're a different person? Well, no, we're not doing memes. We're definitely not time travel. Science fiction. Freaking hell. I'm not doing time travel. Unless I can travel back and shoot you. Come on, people.
Time moves forward, it does not move backward.
Yeah. We cannot change the past even if we want to. History, animals, movies. No, that's something. Books.
Books.
Man, I can do stories. Yeah, just yeah. History sounds interesting, but it's
History.
kind of vague too. Farm.
Farm.
Old MacDonald have a farm.
Yeah.
Oh no, Ethan and his furry.
What?
Nothing, Ethan. Nothing. Instrument. Oh no, we already did.
Just talk to
already
Earthworm
did
Sally.
that. What the heck is that?
It's my favorite statue. I keep it on my desk. It's Earthworm Sally.
Oh
When
my
your
God.
dad is gonna come back.
No. Talk about when your dad is gonna come back. The
Where-
sky. Why the
Weather.
weather? That's the like literally the first thing we did. Like the first ever lesson we did was weather.
yeah.
Seasons. I think we also included that in weathers. First ever sessions, first ever lesson we did. Where the milk went.
Milk didn't go anywhere.
Food.
Food, we did food.
We also did food. That's like the second lesson.
Rocks and minerals.
You guys want to do the periodic table? Rocks and minerals.
Somebody asked me where gold comes from, so that'd be perfect for that. And it leads on from the theory of the universe and all that. So, human
Humans
evolution. You
are-
seriously want to do human evolution?
Humans are the most boring creature ever. Or
Every
maybe
animal
not boring.
is different and
Yes,
unique.
strange.
Or the strangest.
The history of humans. That's way too bloody. Oh no, not the World Cup. Not
No,
the-
not the World Cup. man.
Not no, no. Not the World Cup. Dinosaurs. It's an
Our
interesting.
personal life, bro.
We're not talking about our personal life. Like,
Mm.
what the hell?
It's
I don't trust any of you, especially that guy. That Wing Long guy. I don't trust him especially.
our personal life also. Some parts
If
of it.
you want to go first, Ethan, you can go first. I can stay back and deal with these people. Didn't
okay.
we do
Okay, so our top, what do you think, Nam? Either rocks and minerals, or I think there was
My
some,
God.
we've already done, I think we already did books at one point included in stories.
Margaret, we already did games. Royalty.
So we
Yeah,
have
that's right.
history about coffee. I could tell you all about coffee.
Not okay.
But I thought
Not okay.
we went over this.
You are the same. Natural disasters? No, we already did that. What was part of weather too? Coffee? What the
I
heck?
could. We're not
I am not
doing-
teaching you math. I have my math final tomorrow.
No,
Frick.
thank you. No more geo. No more
Done.
geometry.
We have an American with us.
No, and also no. I'm an international.
Own a musket for home
I'm
defense.
everywhere.
Whoa, Jesus Christ.
Because that's what the founding fathers intended.
Why Earth? Like what? There's way too
Okay,
much.
so we
stuff
have,
on
let me
Earth.
list this down. We have culture, we have,
Wait, culture? We already
have-
did culture, didn't
we
we?
did, oh, okay.
I
We
think so.
have
Florida, man.
history, human history, and then we're not doing buildings. That's way too vague. Unless we do the history of that. Beautiful places. We did that in countries. Okay,
Sorry.
let's decide. Everybody, try and cultivate
wait,
what you want to
Holiday.
do.
Holidays
each other.
seems like a good idea.
Oh,
Holidays
'cause
seems like a very good idea. But
next
what
week, it's like-
holiday though? American?
that's like the only day I'll be able to actually call is next week, and then I'll be gone. So,
Wait, you want to do holiday?
sure.
We could, but what? Okay, which country's holiday though? Let's decide that first. American, probably, because that's easy.
Probably some of those, but we should maybe international holidays, so like well-known holidays and like cultural
Chinese New Year,
holidays.
Deepavali.
Deepavali,
Uh,
New Year's, we could do a bunch of other stuff.
we can do
Easter,
holiday.
we could do
I'm lazy.
like 12 weeks of or sorry, the like 6 days of okay, so it looks like we are doing holidays,
Holiday.
environmental issues.
No. Not this.
I would
time.
be, you would just hear me.
Insects, Bin, do you want to kill me? Like, what the hell? I'm so scared of insects.
Yes, it is Christmas. Okay, I should go. I got chem tomorrow, although I do have my free before that.
Lucky you. I have math
Boy,
first, then
Like,
APCS.
thanks.
And now my health teacher is telling everyone to send us the reflection because she was way too slow and didn't get to everyone in class.
I have a day where I have US Gov and Matt Geo on the same day, which both of them are gonna take the longest on the last day.
Okay, enough. We're doing holiday. Everyone, you are dismissed.
Yes, go.
Nope, too late. Dismissed.
Goodbye,
Holiday.
everyone.
Adios.
Another kind of trophy.
Okay,
Who the
bye.
Nguyễn Long, I will find you. I will find you.
I will something after you.
I will find your IP address.
No. Krishna actually did that.
How?
once.
Tell me. I'm gonna go ask him.
I'll tell you tomorrow when we're not on call and stuff.
Leave now. Bye, guys.
Goodbye, everyone. I think I'm gonna go now.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Bye. Peace. Peace, y'all.